So I wasn't really that keen on school, so like learning without learning like on the job. So one of my teachers at school suggested an apprenticeship role and suggested here. It was one of my ex-ICT teachers, and he said that it was sort of a better way to learn engineering and the way that it sort of goes. I finished my GCSEs when I was 16, joined Leicester in 2018, I think, and then started the college in September time when I joined with Leicester. Loads, to be fair, mainly obviously machining, but sort of around like a range of like problem solving that comes with that, because obviously while you're machining you have to think of like many different problems that you've got to deal with, and then sort of I've done my 5-axis training since I've finished as well, so that on top. So it's a team leader and management course, so a level 3 course, similar to what I did with my apprenticeship, but it's like a further thing on top, so it's going to help me hopefully progress into either a team leader role here or someplace else after I've finished it. So once I've finished that team leader course, I'll stay here and hopefully progress to team leader here, but then hopefully team leader and then supervisor and into more of like a managerial role once I've finished. Oh, definitely, yeah. Well, it depends on sort of what you do, but I think it's the better option, because you come out of, like, all of my friends are finishing university now and they've got £50,000–60,000 worth of debt, whereas I've finished my apprenticeship sort of the same age and I've not got any debt, and I've been earning money for the last 4 or 5 years.